Hey guys, it's the Villaman and welcome to the channel. Now today I feel like a kid on Christmas. Why is that? Because I have not one, not two or three, but a 5-speaker mega unboxing. Now recently Klipsch released their updated Reference Premiere speakers, and today we'll be unboxing the towers, the center channels, and the bookshelves. So stick around. Let's see what we have here. Wait, have you subscribed yet? I hope you have. But if you haven't, and you like tech and home theater, then you should hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, I'll give you some time. Alright, let's get to it. So let's get this thing open so we can see what's inside. Alright. You know, I just don't feel right without my official unboxing knife. So as nice and sharp as this may be, it's just not gonna do. Now this is what we're talking about. So of course this is the RP-600M monitor, and these are the bookshelf versions of the Reference Premiere. And first up is a user manual and some isolation feet, it looks like. All right. First up, is this bad boy. This is heavy. The second one, and then there's nothing else in the box. Let's go through these one at a time. I like how they have the plastic covering it, the soft plastic that is. Magnetic grill. Oh, if you can see by the grill, it's actually tapered at the top. The design has a tapering at the top, which is actually kind of cool. It's a very cool design aesthetic. Alright, so take off the magnetic grill for this one. And see the driver? The driver is massive. I like. Soft plastic covering the wood again. Here we go. Now we can tell that these are the new versions based on the copper ring around the woofer and the actual tweeter. This is a soft plastic. And in the back, and 2 pairs of binding posts for bi-amping. These look good. These look very good. Can't wait to try them out. Alright, now on to the center channel. Now next up is the center channel, the RP-504C. Now this has 4 woofers and the tweeter in the middle. So let's see what it looks like. Too many boxes already. Oh wow, this thing. Yeah, it's massive. bigger than I thought it would be. Now, let's see what the best way of taking this out is. Okay, maybe we should just flip the box and lift it out. Oh, first, same manual and the isolation feet, the small rubber feet for them. Well, let's just flip the box and see if we can get it out that way, because lifting it out is not really an option. Hold it so it's secure. Boom, just like that. This is heavy, no joke. And kneeling doesn't help the matter either. So you can see the port in the back and the 5-way binding posts. If you turn it around, and lift it out of this. Whoa. Okay, so this lift, be careful guys. So that is beautiful. Four woofers and the tweeter in the middle. I can't wait to hear how these things sound. Alright, before we continue, let's do some cleaning up because this is going to get out of hand really fast. Now this would be quite the challenge. How do I unbox this without lifting the box upwards because it's too tall for the ceiling? I have to put it on the side, right? Right. As you can see, this box is very heavy, so shipping wasn't very kind to it. I hope inside's not damaged. We'll see how well it's packaged. Yeah, let's get to it. So I'm going to approach this the subwoofer way, which is basically open both ends and just push it through one side. We'll see how well that works. Okay, we have a very excited manual just jumping out of this box. And back up the speaker. Alright, so alright. So let's see how well we do with my proposed method. Not too bad. Let's just use Wow, this is breaking all the way up. It's very hard to do this without destroying the box completely. But I think what I learned from this is that it's better to unbox it from the bottom part, since the legs have some spikes essentially. I'll have one more chance, so we'll see. Let's get this bad boy up. This is the good part about having carpets in this room, is that we won't actually scratch the speaker while we try to unbox it without destroying the box. And because of the cavity in the box, even though it was damaged in shipping, the speaker has no actual damage to the cabinet, so that's good. Wow, look at those 8-inch drivers. This bad boy can fit so much bass in there. Now it has the same design as the bookshelves, where the top part has a tapering at an angle. I like that design aesthetic. Alright, so now we have one more. The shipping wasn't kind to this box either, really. As you can see, this is even open. I didn't open this. And I guess the tape just got torn because this part was still secured. So now we're going to be pushing this one this way. Styrofoam is completely shot. Again, this would be a lot easier if I could destroy these boxes, but I can't, so this is how it is. And now, once again, these glorious woofers. Now the cabinet is ebony and the front is more gloss than matte. So the cabinet itself is a matte finish, ebony, but the front of the speaker, the baffle is more glossy and beautiful. Don't forget beautiful. And the Tractrix port. So I bought these speakers from Klipsch so I could check them out in person and eventually do a review. So shout out to Klipsch for their amazing customer service. I've actually been a customer of theirs for a long time. So I'll be using these speakers in my 5.2.4 Atmos setup. So I'll be replacing all the floor standing speakers with the clip sheets. I'll be powering it with my Denon X4300H with the Outlaw Model 5000 power amplifier. So that delivers 120 watts into 8 ohm speakers, which makes it a very good match for the reference premieres. So we'll see if they can actually eclipse my Pioneer Elites But yeah, the reference premieres are very efficient, so they might not actually need an amplifier if your receiver is good enough, but I'll be using mine. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you like the video, then smash that like button. If you dislike the video, then hit that dislike button twice. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe to the channel for future content. Until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood Villaman saying, peace.